Hey guys, in today's video I'm doing a makeup challenge. I created this very colorful look because I used all the shadows in this palette and did like the using every eyeshadow in the palette challenge. So this is a look that I created. I used the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. So yes, if you want to see how I get this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so I already have my eyes primed and I did apply some tape because I don't really know what I'm going to do for this look and I kind of want to be very grounded, you know. So okay, so for this look I'm going to use a like pretty challenging palette. I feel I don't want to use anything too challenging to where it'd be like unrealistic, but I don't want to use anything like too easy, you know. So I chose the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. I feel like this is doable, right? It's like all colorful eyeshadows, but there's not like that many eyeshadows, so I thought this would be a good one to do. I think I'm gonna go for these on the top and these on the bottom. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I'm first gonna start off by taking this shade right here and buffing that all in my crease. I'm gonna do it more towards like the inner third, I think. I never do like challenges like this. I feel like I never actually like any of them that like come up, you know. I don't ever want to do them, but this one I feel like it's kind of fun. So I'm gonna do it because it's a nice fun challenge. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into the shade right here and I'm going to buff that more towards like the middle. Yeah, right there. Okay, and then I'm gonna take this shade right here and buff this on the outer V. I feel like the orange and the blue doesn't blend together the greatest, so I'm gonna take a smaller brush and take the orange again and just kind of blend that and re-intensify it a little bit more. Help the blue and the orange kind of fade a little bit nicer. Okay, so now I'm going to cut my crease because I want to stick these two shimmer shades on my lid. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so now that I have my cut creases on, I'm going to go back into the palette and take this shade again and start to like really build that up on the outer V area. And, like really intensify it. Don't mind the baby hairs. Okay, and then I'm going to take this blue right here and buff this, and apply this on my lid. And then I'm going to use this green right there. And apply this to the first like inner. Ooh, I like it. This is so pretty. Okay, so I just finished up the other eye, and I'm gonna remove the tape. Somehow I got fallout all over there. I'm just gonna clean this all up. Okay, so now I'm going to do my foundation, concealer, my powder, and then I'll come back and do the rest of the eyes. So I want to keep this video strictly eyes and not really show you everything. So that's what I'm going to do. I might just do all the complexion too. I don't know. You'll see in a second. Okay, so I just did my bronzer, blush, and highlight in foundation, concealer, powder. And I'll leave everything that I used in the description box if you're wondering. I'm moving on to the lower, I can't ever say that. I'm moving on to the lower lash line now. And I'm first gonna take, I don't know how to use this brown. Like, how would this go? Okay, so I'm just gonna take the brown and I'm going to buff that on the very outer V of my lower lash line. I'm kind of just going like right here to kind of help transition to like what I'm gonna do next. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the pink and buff that in the middle part of my lash line. I'm gonna kind of layer over top of the brown. The brown's gonna kind of help like add like a deepness to the very outer V and help fade the pink in nicely. And then I'm gonna take the purple right here and just put that in the inner. I've used pretty much all the shades except for this one. I'm gonna stick that in my inner corners. Full rainbow over here. Okay, so that's like one eye done without lashes. I'm gonna quickly apply some lashes and I'll come back and finish up this video. Okay, so for the lips, I'm just going to show you because I thought, why not? I'm going to use the Bite Multistick in the shade Blondie and just kind of like dot that on my lips. I don't want anything like too like opaque and full coverage, you know? So, I'm going to kind of dot that on. And then over top, I'm going to apply this e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss in the shade Champagne Glam. Oh. I hate when the cap comes off. It's like the worst thing ever. Okay, got it. Don't need no cap. I'm going to apply a little bit of shadow highlighter to my brow bone because I feel like my brow bone is very naked and I want something up there. I didn't want to apply like the pink from the palette on the brow bone, so I'm just going to apply this Tarte highlighter in the shade Exposed. And I'm also going to apply a white eyeliner to the bottom rim of my eye to kind of brighten it up. That's some of the purple got in my waterline. I feel like it makes my eyes look really dark, so. Okay, so if I completes this video, thank you so much for watching. Overall, I kind of like this look. It's very fun and very different for me. Normally, I wouldn't apply these kind of colors. I wouldn't do like purple on the lash line. I kind of keep like the same tones as my lid, but I really like it. I feel like it was not like too easy to do this challenge, but like not too hard either. So I feel like I chose a good palette for this video. I knew I wanted to do something colorful, but I love the way this turned out, so yes. That concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to subscribe and like it before you leave. And if you want to see more videos from me, I upload Mondays and Fridays. So if you want to see the videos, and stay tuned. Other than that, I'll see you in the next one. Bye. I didn't stick that on the back of my hand enough. Ah. Really bold makeup look, but I did it all using gosh. In today's video I did a more like a fun video for me. Normally I don't do challenges, but today I did like the what's it called? Hey guys, in today's video